Hello, and welcome to a Northwest-Shoals Community College online tutorial brought to you by the Distance Education Department. In this video, I'll show you how to log on to Moodle and schedule an appointment with the Testing Center through your Moodle course. The first thing you'll need to do is log on to the Northwest-Shoals Community College homepage. Locate the Moodle tab at the top of the page and follow the link. Enter your N number as your username and your 6-digit birthday as your password, unless you've changed it, and log in. Once you get logged in, you can click on any one of your classes. Once the course loads, scroll down until you find the testing information on the right side of the screen. Then, click on the link that says Schedule Your Appointment. Click on Log In, and again enter the same information here that you entered to log into Moodle, your N number, and your 6-digit birthday or whatever you've changed it to. Now that you're logged into AdvisorTrac, locate the link that says Search Availability. Click on the drop-down menu that says Center and select Testing Center. Next, click on the drop-down menu labeled Consultant. Here, you will select on which campus you would like to take your test. The next drop-down menu, labeled Reason, will give you a list of every course that Northwest-Shoals is offering in a semester. Most semesters, there are several sections of the same course being offered, so be sure and click on the correct section for which you need to schedule a test. Next, you will select a range of dates for which you want to search availability. For instance, if you need to take a test within the next week, on the first date range, you will select the day on which you begin your search. On the second date range, you will select a week from that day. If there are only specific times during the day that you're able to visit the testing center, you can indicate those times here. Once you have all the search parameters the way you need them, click on the search button. You will then see a list of available time slots categorized by day that fall within the specified search parameters. Select one of the available time slots. The phone number is required, but the note is only if you feel that you need to let the testing center know something ahead of time. Save your appointment and log off. If you have any trouble, you can contact Sarah Wright or the Advising Center at the numbers you see listed here.